Alright, over here at Cedar Glades today. Lots of pine needles. I'm on mason jar. A couple flowy downhills over here I want to hit. Again, it's like riding on carpet. I know probably on GoPro that you can't tell the terrain or even where the trail is, but it's distinguishable as a rider. It's pretty obvious where it goes. Lots of switchbacks. Still haven't zip tied my cable yet, so it's going to be annoying on camera. This is just a fun trail. I was here a couple weeks ago and didn't film any of this, and so it's super nice. Shout out to my cousins Heather and Holly, who watch my videos and Instagrams. They think I'm crazy. Some 51-year-old dude on a bike. Oh, that's slick. Hey, a beeline. Yeah, now the trail is actually hard to see. Alright, now we're climbing again. That was a fun little downhill section. If the pine needles aren't so thick, you could really speed it up, hold the corners. But the bike will just slide out from under you. And I do have my my Garmin Mini inReach with me because there is no cell signal here. So the only way I can communicate would be from satellite. Free tip for anybody riding at Northwoods. I would recommend investing in one of those. I have it clipped in my pack, so I have a way to send text if I need it, or hit the SOS button and the world will come to you. And no, that is not a sponsor. Just a free safety tip. Oops. I bring that up because I saw 3 cars in the parking lot and haven't seen anybody yet. So, and I'm on the Cedar Glade side, which kind of on the more technical piece of it, and this is really only ridden by more experienced riders. Tree. The lower part of Cedar Glades is definitely more geared for newer riders or kids, and they're just learning. All right, morning video over. GoPro, stop recording.